very much po. Magkakala ko na po yung buong team na bumubuo niya ng Energy FM. This is my partner on air. This is Ganda Lara. This is Sheena. This is Kawin Nasisa. Tita Gora, Lindsay, Jumbo, and Toby Bells. Let's go sa pagkakala ng pasaya nila sa ating ito Ganda Lara.
Hi, DJ Kara. Mapapakinggan niyo po every lunchtime, 12 noon to 3 p.m. sa Hot Stories na Energy FM 106.7.
Isang pagabot na si Sheena, mapapakinggan nyo tuwing alas 3 ng hapon hanggang alas 6 ng gabi.
Ako ba ng isang girlfriend mo sa radio? My name is Lindsay. Siyempre, 8 hanggang 11 po in the morning. Ihip ng ihaw.
Good evening po, ako po si Jimbo. Mapapakinggan niyo mga alas 3 ng hapon. Hanggang alas 6 ng Jimbo po. Hanggang po yan sa hapon.
Po ang baby boy po ng radyo. My name is Baby Toby. Siyempre, mapapakinggan niyo po ako mula alas 5 hanggang alas 8 po ng umaga para sa programang Tell Toby in the morning. Thank you po.
Hi, ako po si Tita Cora. At ako naman po si Kapitana Sisa at kami ang Paglita sa mapapakinggan niyo po every 11 a.m. to 12 noon sa Energy at Monday to Friday po yan. And of course, our station manager, our boss.
Sa Jackson po. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Once again, congratulations to all our winners for tonight. And now let us all welcome Horizon Digital Management Artist, YouTuber, and lifestyle content creator, Joy Asuncion, with the singer-theater actor, Ifamino, to announce the second set of winners in the music category.
Everyone, the VP Choice Awards for OPM Song of the Year Award goes to the original Filipino music, OPM track that has become the people's favorite and has achieved popularity on both radio and online streaming platforms, resonating deeply with the hearts of Filipinos.
The nominees are Ere by Juan Carlos, Raining in Manila by Lola Moore, Bad by Denise Julia featuring Pilo, Gusto by Zach Tabudlo featuring Al James, Eme by Moira De La Torre, Situationship by Janine Berdino.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Eme by Moira De La Torre.
The Choice Award goes to 106.7 NGFM.
So maraming po salamat po sa support. Israel po na bumoto na po pinagpaguran na ng mga pagkataon na wala sa bumoto. Nagpuyat din.
Contact Arrest. And Papa Jack.
The VP Choice Award goes to Carjack Arrest of Ganda Lara and Michael Jackson. Congratulations!
Dumaan na talaga. Bilisan natin magtanong. Are you excited to work with that?
Thank you very much. Saya-saya. Thank you very much po. To win a podcast award is a new venture kasi we never really thought we'd venture out from radio. So maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Lalo na po yung mga Carjack fans na talagang dugot pa ako sa kanya.
Hello! Sumayaw nung sumayaw. Tapos natapakan.
Thank you very much.
Ready? Salamat.
Congrats! Congrats!
Thank you, thank you. Are you excited to work with Catherine? Dito lang ito. Sino ko lang kaya lang. Ay, parang sickness. Yes po, yes po. Thank you. Ma'am, yan na yan. Opo, bukas po ng alas 8 pero gagaling muna ako ng taping dito lang sa Los Baños. Diretso akong MOA.
Alden, are you excited to work with Kat ngayon sa Hello Vlog again?
Yes, of course naman.
Thank you po. Congrats, Alden! Hi Myrtle, welcome to VTalks on my YouTube channel. So, how does it feel na for consecutive years na nanalo ka lagi as Cosplayer of the Year sa VP Choice Award?
Very grateful. Syempre, para sa amin, it's really a passion to cosplay. Pero to be given an award, sobrang grateful ko for the recognition kasi it really just means that a lot of people love and appreciate cosplay. So thank you so much again, VP Awards, for acknowledging us cosplayers.
Speaking of awards, grabe rin ang rating ng Makiling. At sinuportan ito ng mga kapuso. Any reaction or any, dahil ang ganda ng reception?
Thank you very much sa lahat ng mga kapuso talaga na nag-support and nag-watch ng Makiling. Kakatapos na namin ang finale namin and I've been very blessed. Again, thank you so much to GMA Public Affairs and sa lahat ng mga kapuso namin for giving me this amazing opportunity na maging si Portia. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung bawat moment na ginawa ko in the show and I'm very grateful.
What's next for you?
Yes, so nagsistream pa rin ako everyday sa page ko on Facebook. So it's really getting back into the gaming and cosplay grind.
Kanina nag-meet kayo ni Alden Richards, no? Marami kasing clamor before na may something sa inyong dalawa. Kamusta?
May nagkakalaro lang kami, same video game. So from RO, lahat ng mga RO titles, pati na rin last time nung nagka-ML event siya. So naging part ako ng mga gaming events niya kasi parehas namin na passion yung game.
And on your acting career ba, what's next? Meron bang upcoming project or may nilulutong project for you?
Right now, hopefully, we're still praying na magkaroon ng book 2 for Makiling. Hopefully, that's what happens.
Dahil sa galing ni Myrtle, diba?
Thank you so much. I apologize.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Congrats!